What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's well. Just got done bashing. Took the Sledge and the Maxx out for this video. Just want to show you real quick the carnage from the bash. The Sledge was doing great. I was getting a lot of good airs. I was starting to get a little more confident with it. But I did take a nasty landing. And if you want to see what broke, all that broke was this shock cap here. I'll try to highlight it in the video. You will see I came down really hard on the side. It must have just been a lot of force. Wasn't cold out. It was pretty warm, about 60 degrees. So it wasn't cold or anything. Plastic cap. If that's all that happened after sending it that high, I'm pretty pumped. The only other problem I see is I'm having some issues with these motor wires. They're wearing and rubbing, and I got to zip tie them up over here and put some tape and get them away from the ESC. But other than that, the truck held up. It did great. The Maxx, I went all the way to the battery kicked out. That truck absolutely blew me away today. After driving the Sledge, the Maxx is fun. It's little. I like driving the bigger truck, to be honest with you. It feels a little bit better. It definitely has a little bit more power. But the durability of that Maxx, after you see these clips, I can't believe nothing broke. It was pretty wild. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you that real quick. And lead you guys into this running footage. So yeah, enjoy this footage. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, back out with the Sledge. I got it back out to my pit. See if it holds up this time. Hit something over here. And it sent me. Oh, I see. They keep messing with this. And then the mud. Whew. Just did like a cartwheel. Alright, let's try to hit this thing with some more speed this time again. nice backflip. Woo, I saved that one. Oh. All right, I got damage. We broke out, but it was easy, an easy fix rather. Just a shock cap. I landed real awkward and definitely busted it, but the truck was holding up. I was getting some good sends. Chassis still looks pretty dang straight. I didn't tape up the gear. There's not a lot of rocks here though, so. But wow, I got some good airs there. She was doing good. Time for the Maxx. All right, here we are, back out with the Maxx. Let's send a little ripper. Oh. Turned it into a front flip. Trying to save it there. Woo! Bouncy, bouncy. Whew, that was full speed there. Let's try to double up this speed. Whew. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Oh, right on those piles. Oh, I don't know how it took that front hit. That was a good one. How did it take that? That's the piece that messes me up there. Oh, hit that rock, it slowed me down. Wheelie away. This truck really is something else. Pulled the late front flip. Oh, battery, I bet. Nothing wrong. I don't know what happened. It was weird. Still going. That was a pretty rough tumble though there. Still going.